We're in 1510. This is our last apartment. We're gonna do it today as a progress report. This is too late for anybody to work here, but as you see, this apartment is also almost finished with the outlets. No, this is not finished. Okay. This is not finished, so as you see, this wall has to be, this was moldy, had to be redone. There's some moldy areas we had to cut out. I'm sorry, we don't have power yet. So this floor here section we have to remove because it was a big buckle. We wouldn't be able to sand it down and level it. We have to basically cut out the sheetrock, not sheetrock, the plywood, and put them to fill the void. And then we're gonna move to the next stage, which is laminate. The bathroom, same thing. You can't see anything. I'm sorry, no power, not today. Tomorrow we should have power here, and I'll give you a better picture. Same thing in this apartment. Fridge, counter, stove, exhaust goes in through here. Then we have that circular countertop here, and then regular stuff on the other side. So this is where we are now. Electrical work we have left is all the 2 apartments, as you saw, and everything else, all the electrical work is done. And we're ready to move. Oh, by the way,